Hello Divas! Day 13. Glad to have you here with me as always. I'm so excited to show you what's in today's advent calendars. Oh my, I'm so glad you're joining me for this. Remember, Arteza was opened the day before, so I won't be opening Arteza today. They had 3 in 1, so that won't be open. But here's Daphne's diary. Ooh, cute. Let me see. Alright, remember you can put the drawers in backwards and use them as regular drawers for your paper crafting goodies. Oh, aren't they cute? Okay, there are 4 ornaments that have like a rough rope-like hanger. And they have this adorable little mouse couple. Yeah, all 4 of them are the same. Oh, they're adorable. Front and back. They're little kissing under the mistletoe. Aww. Do you have someone you can kiss under the mistletoe this year? I hope so. Do you hang mistletoe? Are you worried about it? The cats or animals getting into it, because it is poisonous. We don't want that to happen. But what is something that you hang up? If you don't hang up mistletoe, what is a tradition that you hang up that others might not? I like hearing about traditions from around the world and other places, so I'm eager to hear what yours might be. Day 13, Diamond Painting Creations. If you want an advent calendar for next year, don't forget to look for them starting in July and August, because if you don't start that early, July, August, possibly September, they might all be gone already, because they do sell out quickly. Okay, here is a big button cover minder. Big blue button cover minder. It's pretty. It's pretty. And the little case, some of these little cases do not close very well. I would have put some tape or something on that, but very pretty. Thank you. Okay. Move this to the side, and we have add more zest. Okay. Have you been pleased with your advent calendars this year? Are you opening them? Let me know below. Oh, wax tips. Okay. So the other day, last week, we got a long black pen that has a screw-in top that had a black wax cone on the end. These are screw-in wax cones, but they're white. I love these for ABs, Aurora Borealis. Anything that has a special coating on it, the fairy dust, even the gems, because it doesn't peel off any of the coating. The wax tips will not peel off the extra coating. You can use them for everyday drills too, but they go down real fast, and they're not the cheapest. So that's beautiful. I like that. Like that a lot. For your specials, and I have a video on my top 20 tips on dealing with special drills and gems and things like that. And my biggest tip is using a wax pencil on it, and that is the same thing almost as using a wax pencil. The tip is wax. Okay, DIY diamond toys. DIY diamond toys. Oh. Okay. There is a film on it, and you do it the normal way. That looks like owls, but there are 3. What is in here? What is in here? This would be fun for the kids to do. There are 3 buttons. Let me see. They are stickers. Okay, they've got double-sided tape on the bottom. What is this? I don't know. They have like, are they spinners? I'm not sure what they are. They almost look like they come apart. And they've got film on them. But it's clear film. And it's blue. So I guess you can put whatever you want on it. DIY, do-it-yourself, diamond toys. And they have, look at this. That's something to do with your extra drills, my friends. Look at that. So, they have a, let's see, pink gem, a purple gem, an orange drill, a blue drill, regular round drills. They have a clear, like a silver white gem. They have a multi mix-up mixture. They have a black gem, like an aqua gem, a green gem, and a gold yellow gem. So, I'm not exactly sure what you're supposed to make out of them. They kind of look like, can you see the little things on the side? If you know what these are, let me know in the comments. They come with the sticky back. And it almost looks like they come apart, but why would they? And where would you stick them? What goes in the top of that? You can't put a pencil through it. I'm not sure. Are they just spinners that, you decorate and try to spin in your fingers? That doesn't make sense. But, all right. This one I need a little help on, Divas. If you could give me some information that you know about what these are, I can use them with my Boys and Girls Club kids, but I need to know what they are. So, let me show you what all we got today. And remember, Arteza's is not here. That would be the felt, the 4 pieces of colored felt that we got. So, these are the goodies for today, for day 13. And as soon as we figure out what this is, I'll know what to do with it. All right, Divas. Thank you for joining me. I will see you again tomorrow. Don't forget to drop in on our Tuesday night Tea and Talk, Tuesday Night Lives at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And to learn all about our January challenge coming up sooner than we might think. All right. Bye, Divas.